For example, you would like to configure Gmail SMTP access to your SQL server. Okay, what we do? Firstly, we need to create an app password. Go to your go to your Gmail, log into your Gmail, go to manage your Google account like this. Manage your Google account. You see my screen now. Dennis, and
Yes.
Ajay, Raj, Akshay, please check your mic, please. Yeah. Jayashree, please check it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Yeah.
Yes.
Search Google account is there, right? This one. Okay. Search this one. Say app password. Click on app password. I'll say SQL Server DB mail. Give some name. This password would be auto-generated, and the password would be used until you delete it.
Okay.
Until you delete it. Okay, I'm going to delete it immediately after the class now anyway, just in case to show you the things. I trust Google. I delete it, so it's not generated again for my account. Next time, new account. So copy it, done. Okay, copy it. Then what we do? Go to your management. Okay, management, right click, configure DB mail. At the time of configuring DB mail, as usual, profile name. I'll say, for example, SQL School or DB mail profile. Add. Okay, email account. Give your email address, because it's for your email address you configure the app password. Next, reply email address, whatever email address you wanted to. smtp.gmail.com 587 port number, and it's your email address, is your Gmail account for which you have configured the app password. So this should be the configuration. In this way, this would be the app password. Next, make sure it is default public profile, and that's it. You can use this SMTP account wherever you want, like agent, notifications, or later classes like replication alerts, drive alerts, disk alerts, health check alerts, etc., etc. Once you are done, delete, save, delete it. Okay, save. Yes, are we getting it now? Dennis, and yeah, Jayashree, Raj, others, please. I'll wait.
So once we delete, we can get it our next time again once the same.
Yeah, next time again another one, sister. Okay, new one. Again create new password, completely new password. You use it, you are done. You delete it. Free of cost.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Yep. Any more questions? Let me know, please. I'll stay back.